We will repack
Baby.
and then give them to our...
Neighbor.
Opo. Very good.
Everyone.
Ito na yung mga groceries na i-repack namin mamaya. Tapos papamigay ni Bella sa mga kapitbahay. Bigas, corned beef, sardines, and noodles. Ayan. Hi guys! You say hi guys. What do you want to say hi guys?
Cheese.
Cheese? You say hi guys first.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Welcome.
To channel.
Welcome to my channel.
See baby.
Okay.
See baby.
Okay. You spell this one. Argentina.
Argentina.
Opo. A.
Argentina.
Start with letter A.
A. F.
R.
R.
G.
G.
E.
E.
N.
N.
T.
T.
I.
I.
N.
N.
A.
A.
Argentina.
Argentina.
Very good. This one. Corned beef.
Corn.
Corned beef.
Corn.
Okay, what's that?
Two.
2.
5. R.
K.
K.
G.
G.
25 kilograms.
25 kilograms.
And up.
Come on this side.
Noodles. Corned beef. Sardines. Ipit ka dyan, sardines. And
Some more.
some more rice.
Right.
Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Please.
Subscribe to channel.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Yung corn beef na. Oops.
Just two. Look,
That's enough na.
look at sample. Kulang ako. 1, 2.
Ang bait naman ang baby na yun. Give tita.
Lola na lang. Lola. Madali po tuloy sa nan. Thank you, Be. And then, this one din. Argentina, Be. Kaya, basta
pauwiin.
I put it.
Ay, very good. Kita sa video si Pierre.
Bing! Sabi nga bukas yan. Wala na sila. Ang bagsak ha, yung president. Dahan-dahan, di solo ka pita.
Wala siyang law of gravity.
Yan. Mahal ka naman ng mag-ano. Ano na
Malamog yun. Hindi lata. Slowly.
Give kay Lola. This one, this one. This baby, give it.
Just ano.
This give to Tita. Give this to Tita. Ako kay Lola, I'll check the plastic.
Vlogging.
Ay, mo isama. O, isama para makalit na. O, lukang, lukang. Mas maliit eh. Makapalitan sa mga
Say hi muna kay Daddy.
Say hi, guys! Nala.
Vlogging.
Meron nagnanakaw ng ulit gold.
Bibigay natin yan sa neighbors.
That's our good na.
Canned goods.
Mahigit ka, ha? Pink cup. What's this? Close the box. Wow. Akala ko yung ano mo to.
Wait lang,
Lukang.
magpapang sila sa
Two. Three.
Baby, baby,
Ay, naku. Ay, naku.
Gusto niya mag-help eh. Hmm. Baby's helping.
Wow, pwede tayo magkarga na sa palengke. Yeah.
Bait naman. Opo, very good naman yung baby. Hindi rin di marinig electric fan. Heavy.
parang super cute ng matatanda.
Ito second body.
Yay!
Yan ka naman. Eh, dito dapat yan. Yan.
Dito ka. Oh, this is not the one.
Where's the second body?
Ay, second ba? Oh, dito ka. Dito ka muna. May ano din sa dito.
Mabigat.
Dapat mag-50 yan.
Matapon yung bigas.
Malakas yan sa Bella. Kung siya marunong magbalag, 50 na yan dyan. Hindi pa. 25 pa lang yung nadagdag.
You helped last night? Balot, no? You helped Lola and Tita? Very good.
Baby can sit on the floor.
Oh, in the floor si baby nag-help. Very good. Dami. 150 man, no? Yay. sinulatan ni Tita Bella.
Everyone.
Good morning! Say good morning, baby!
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone!
Good morning.
Ayan. So, yung mga relief goods po na pamigay na kahapon, na turnover namin yun sa Purok Leader, tsaka dun sa mga kasama niya, para sila na yung mag-distribute, hindi na kami lalabas. Tapos, kung mapapansin nyo, may pangalan ni Bella dun sa plastic.
Inside.
Opo, inside, because you helped Lola, Tita, and Mommy to put the groceries
Stop.
inside the
Plastic.
plastic. Very good. Good job, si baby. Yay! And then, we will give them to our
Neighbors.
neighbors. Very good. Bait! Ayun. Tsaka kaya namin nilagyan ng pangalan niya sa plastic kasi para aware din yung mga tao na private person yung nagbigay. Hindi nila isipin na baka barangay yung namigay tapos kulang siya. Hindi lahat mabibigyan. Kaya
Mommy?
yun. Yes, baby. Kahit pa paano, di ba? Nakatulong din kami. Thank you. Kasi siya naman yung nagbalot eh. Di ba, be? You help Lola, Tita, and Mama. Baby Bella, very good. Yay! Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please
Subscribe.
subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Please like and please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. Bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Say
Bye,
bye.
guys.
Thank you for watching. Please
Subscribe channel.
subscribe to my channel.